What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Martian wallet and connect it to your Chrome extension. So stay tuned to the end of this video so as not to miss any part. If you are new to this channel, I want to warmly welcome you to Crypto Sage. On this channel, giving you currency, giving you updates. So please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the videos, share the videos, turn on the bell button so as to get notified when we drop new videos like this. So let's go straight into the video. So with the Martian wallet, you can store, send, receive tokens, manage and mint NFT in a secure and friendly way. According to your website, there's a lot of things you can do with the Martian wallet. As it is stated here, you can buy, you can store, send and receive tokens, get Web3 notifications directly in your wallet, collect, manage and mint NFT, stake and earn APT reward, and also you can swap tokens. If you want more information on this, you can also follow them on their Twitter. You can follow them on Twitter and also join their Discord community. So without further ado, let's go straight into the video. So the first thing to do is to go over to their website to download the extension, or you can simply go over to the Chrome extension store to get the extension to add to your browser. So I'm just going to get the extension from the Chrome web store. So the first thing to do is to click on this add to Chrome button. So click on it, and then to start checking, then you have the option to add to extension. I'm gonna do just that. Don't have to wait for some time for it to download. Yeah, so we can add it to our extension. So it's gonna take a few minutes, so just hold on. Okay, we're almost there. Almost there. So make sure to like this video, drop a comment down below, tell me what you think about the video, and if there are other videos you want us to make, please drop it down in the comment down below. So it has been downloaded. Let's just wait for it to load. Okay, it's already adding to Chrome. Okay, nice. And here you go, to actually bring out another tab for you to create your wallet. So for the sake of this video, we are not importing an existing wallet. We want to create a new Martian wallet. So click on the first option to create a new wallet, and then the first thing they'll ask you to do is to input your password. So I'm going to do just that. Make sure your password is secure, a combination of letters, symbols and numbers to ensure security. Okay, I'm just going to do just that right now. Okay, so after confirming your password, click on I have read and agreed to the terms and policy and click on continue. Now they will bring your recovery phrase for you to keep in a secure place. Make sure to write it down on a piece of paper or where you think it will be safe for you. So I'm just going to copy this and put it down where I know it will be safe for me. So I'm copying this to my clipboard and then click on continue. So this time they want you to set up where you want to get notification for. So I want to get notification from Martian, from Aptos and also from Topaz, because this is the Aptos NFT marketplace. We just made a video on that, so you can go to our channel to watch the video. We talked about how to connect the Martian wallet to the Topaz NFT marketplace, so you can scroll down and watch the video. So I'm gonna get notification from this three the Martian, the Aptos and then the Topaz. So click on any one you want to, and then I'm going to click on continue. So this is a shortcut for you to use if you want to access the Martian wallet as easy as possible. You can use the Alt plus Shift and then plus X. So I don't actually need this, so I'm going to click on continue, and here you go. This is actually the wallet. Click on finish to see inside of it. Okay, so now it doesn't show because we haven't pinned this so that it will be easy for us to access. So I'm just going to go to this extension where the extensions are. Click on this place and then pin the Martian Aptos wallet to your browser. I'm going to pin it, and here you go. Here it is. So click on it to actually tell you to input your password to go inside. So I'm just going to do this. Make sure that nobody is in your back. Okay, unlock. And here it is. So this is the Martian Aptos wallet extension for your browser. On this part, you can create another account if you want to. Here is my first account. You can add another wallet if you want to. Right here, you can buy, you can send APT tokens out of this wallet. On this next part below, here you can see your NFTs that you've purchased, minted. Here are where they will be stored. And on this part, Here your recent activities, your transactions, this is where they are going to be shown. So if you've made any transaction, you're going to see everything here. And on this part, you have the part to browse on different apps, NFT collections, and just like that. And on the settings, here you can also do what you want to do on this first part, like to create a new wallet, like they stated here, create a new wallet. And that is it for the Aptos Martian Wallet. This video is actually straightforward, so if you don't get it in the first time, you can go back and watch this video again. And that will be all for today's video. Please make sure to like this video, comment down below, turn on the bell button to get notified when we drop new video, and that will be all. Crypto Sage signing out.